Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix PrizePicks login. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check your internet connection. Sometimes if you're connected to the weaker Wi-Fi connection, that might be also the reason causing the issues that you are facing. So just simply switch over to the stronger Wi-Fi connection and then try again. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in PrizePicks and then search for the app, and once it loads, what you need to do is just simply tap on the app, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings and then scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply scroll all the way down and then tap on PrizePicks. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this upload app option. It resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app. That might be the reason for the issue that you are facing. So once you have done with that, all you gotta do is just try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.